This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning, Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys having a great morning here in Asia, and my friends in America, you guys are, winding down your Sunday evening. Hopefully you guys sitting back, relaxing, and spending some time with the kids. Woo! It's a great day to be alive, guys. There's a big, huge pump coming in soon. A big pump coming in this week. It may not look like it right now because all the markets are down right now. I'm gonna talk to you why all the markets are down right now, and you guys will understand absolutely why the crypto markets are down right now. But we're looking at some really huge upside this week for Dogecoin, for Bitcoin, and all the other altcoins. Woo! Let's get into it. But before we get into it, guys, let me just go back and just remember, become a member. Go to my channel page, click membership, join up right now, get some perks. If you become a super member, you get access to a private WhatsApp chat, and there's a lot of people on there. The community is growing. We give tips and tricks up, and guys are just sharing their experiences online. So it's a really good, a good worthwhile investment. So we're active. There was over 238 messages in the last couple hours, so it's really blowing up, guys. So definitely check that out. And remember, everything here in this video is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and you have to do your own risk management. So you have been disclaimed. So just to let you guys know, I love you guys to death, but you guys need to do your own research. Don't be lazy investors and just follow the advice of a YouTuber. Just don't follow the advice of your neighbor. Remember, it's your money. It's not your neighbor's money. It's not my money. So you guys need to do your own risk management. That's really important. And my personal opinion, what I do is I never invest in any project that is younger than 2 years. That's just my personal advice. So watch out. There's a lot of scammers out there who are shilling this coin and that coin. So it's important that you do your research and you don't buy into something that's a rug pull or something that's going to make you sad later. So that being said, watch out for nasty scammers in the contents. And they pretend to be me, appear to be me, but they're not me. So just be careful. The scammers are very pervasive right now, and there's a lot of bots out there in the comments. So just be careful, be warned, and turn on your two-factor authentication on your exchanges where your crypto lives. It's your crypto. It's not my crypto. So this is a great time to be alive. We're seeing a whole crypto revolution coming. We're seeing the next start of the next bull run. So you're going to really love it. And August is traditionally a huge month for crypto, and we're definitely going to see why that's happening. And you're going to understand that right now we're having a little bit of a downtrend. So let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now. So you can see right now the Bitcoin price has come down since yesterday. We're now trading at 40,000, and this is not. Don't worry about it. It's not that bad. This is just really a reaction. It's really a primary reaction to this article here. Let me just get it for you. So it's really a reaction to, we're seeing a lot of negativity in the market right now, and we saw this. Panic is suddenly spreading among Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Dogecoin traders, blah blah blah. Even though the market soars to 1.7 trillion, and this is really talking about this new Biden bill, this new infrastructure bill, and this is really talking about the $28 billion that they're going to have to raise in tax, and they plan on taxing crypto. And this could actually this will absolutely kill the Bitcoin mining market here. So you guys just have to be warned that the reason we're seeing that now is because there's a lot of, well, I don't want to call it FUD, because in fact the Biden administration is now contemplating passing this infrastructure bill, and this infrastructure bill asks for $28 billion from crypto investors and new KYC and all of that. And I did talk about that. You guys need to definitely go back. You must go back and you must watch this video. This is really important that you watch this video. This breaks down the infrastructure bill and the tax portion as it relates to crypto, and it's really a deep dive. It's a long video, but you guys need to watch it. So it has far-reaching consequences. So that's why we're seeing all the markets down right now. So I wouldn't panic. This is just the narrative that's happening, and people in Asia are waking up and seeing this. So you're seeing that there's a lot less volatility, and a lot less volume. I mean, more volatility and less volumes here in Asia. And that's really pushing the prices down. So this whole tax FUD, this is what's really driving the markets down right now. And within 48 hours, this will all be forgotten. So you know, Forbes is you know, spreading out these kind of articles now just to scare retail investors. But you know, some of it is true. It's definitely going to happen. So let's jump into I mean, I don't know it's going to be passed or not. I hope it doesn't get passed. So let's see. Let's jump into the Doge right now. So you can see right now, Doge is also going down now. It's at around 20 cents, and we hit a high of 21 cents yesterday. So that's not good news, but overall, I wouldn't panic so much. The other thing is that the fear and greed index right now has also come down. Yesterday it was like 60, and it's come down somewhat, and that has to do with this whole tax scare thing and this whole infrastructure bill, which is not good for crypto. And you know, even if they do pass that, it's not going to affect the crypto markets till 2023, and then we'll have to live with it for maybe a year until we get the new administration that comes in. So hopefully my boy will be back in office. That would be really good. So I'd love to see that. So right now you can see that yeah, Doge is not looking so good right now, but still we're pretty strong. You know, we're not seeing huge drops, you know, like large percentage drops. We're seeing pretty much the same kind of range bound drop that we're seeing for Bitcoin. So this is really being driven by Bitcoin, not being driven by any bad fundamentals of Dogecoin. So you guys don't need to panic about it. This is just, you know, welcome to crypto. Things go up. Things don't go up forever. This will be a bit of a consolidation. But even if we look at the Wyckoff pattern, and you know, if we look at where we are today, and we click on that, today is the 2nd here. So you know, you can see that on the 1st of August, you can see right here, there's this big dip that goes down to around about 40,000. So that's 41,000. So that's kind of where we are today. So it's really following this Wyckoff pattern pretty tightly. So by the second, 3rd, by the 4th and 5th, we should start to see a breakout, guys. So that's why I believe that we're definitely going to be seeing 30 cents coming in for Doge pretty shortly, guys. So, and traditionally, you can see that if we look at the average of different months, you can see that typically January is a bad month, February is pretty good, March is pretty good, and April is good, May is okay, June tends to be bad for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin average bullish and bearish months. So you can see that July is okay. And August is typically a pretty good month. This year we had a pretty bad July, right, guys? And June was not good. April was fantastic. So we've had May has been bad, June has been bad, July is bad. So hopefully that August will be the reversal. And you know, we're seeing that definitely there's a reversal in play here. The Wyckoff pattern is telling us that there's a reversal. You know, we're still, when it comes to the fear and greed, we're basically neutral now. So this is really good buying opportunity. So I'm gonna be stacking up some tokens, some coins today. Pick up some more Doge right now. I'm gonna pick up some more BTC once I'm out of this stream. So that overall it's still looking pretty good. So guys, I wouldn't panic too much. And if you look at some of the on-chain data for Dogecoin, let me give a huge refresh. You can see that right now 67% is still in the money, 4% are breaking even, 30% are out of money, and it's pretty much unchanged from where it was a couple days ago. And then we're looking at the signals right now, it's mostly bearish, so that's to be expected when we have a bit of a downtrend. So guys, don't panic. And you can see that Bitcoin difficulty has increased 6%, but it's still 40% easier to find BTC blocks than it was 30 days. So the total hash rate is still lower than where it was 30 days ago. So, but this is picking up as, you know, the miners were displaced from China, and now they're finding new homes. You're going to start to see that the difficulty increases, and hopefully that will help take up the prices as well. So the other thing is, you know, as I said, Doge is preparing to rally. Dogecoin price prediction, Doge preps for a rally up to 30 cents, and definitely we're definitely going to be seeing 30 cents coming in, and I think it's going to be coming in probably within by the 7th or 8th of August, and I'm pretty confident that we can probably hit 50 cents by the end of August. So you can take that to the bank. The OG, take that to the bank. So all the haters out there who have been hating the OG and say that Dogecoin is going down to 9 cents, all I got to say to you guys is, Okay, we're going up, guys. You know, but remember, nothing goes up forever. But you can still see that it's not so bad. We still have this nice triangle, this huge triangle, and we're gonna have an upside pretty soon. So, guys, you should be totally pumped with that, totally psyched with that. I'm psyched. You know, I think things are looking pretty good. So you can see Dogecoin is definitely moving on the upside. Let me get face out of the way, and prepares for 30% rally. So Dogecoin price confirms a triangle breakout on the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin bulls target 30 cents. So I'm pretty confident, and you can see that on the 4-hour chart we have this huge triangle, and we're looking at a huge breakout coming soon. So I think it's coming. I'm pretty sure it's coming, and we should be looking at 30 cents. And you know, if we see any pullbacks, I think we're not going to see any pullbacks below 20 cents. I think the lowest that we're going to see is 20 cents in terms of a pullback. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Things are looking pretty good, guys. So don't panic overall. So let's take a look at the markets, guys. Let's take a look at the market marks. So right now the markets are looking pretty good. You know. Yeah, still, you know, pretty good from the perspective that we're doing a lot better than we were a week ago, right? When, you know, our total market cap was, you know, in the 40s. But right now, the total market cap is 1.5 trillion, and that's down 3.8%. And like I said, this is down because of the tax scare. And I think the Asians here in Asia, they're really feeling it right now, and they're running scared, because we're seeing a lot of mainstream articles now picking up this tax bill, this infrastructure bill, and they're focusing, a lot of mainstream media are focusing on the 28 billion that's going to come out of crypto. So this is kind of one of the headlines that a lot of people are running with here in Asia. You see a lot of stories. So if you don't believe me, go and search crypto infrastructure bill 28 billion and crypto taxes. You'll see that a lot of stories will be popping up. So right now Bitcoin is at 39,562. That's down 5%, and we're still up almost 4.5%. So Ethereum is also down 1%, and that's at 2,537 at time of recording, and we're still up 11%, guys. So woo! So remember, Doge, pump it up, guys. Remember, this is this whole week we're going to focus on Doge, pump it up. And Binance is also down 3.65%, and that's at $327, and we're still up 4%. Cardano is down 2.72%, and it's up only 1.7% for the whole week. So, and that's trading at $1.30, as you can see here. So my Doge right now is basically down 0.5% for the week, down 3.39% on 24 hours, but we're still above our 20-cent level. So that's pretty bullish, guys. So I wouldn't panic so much. So let's just take a look at the OG portfolio right now. Let's give that a refreshing minty, so it's minty fresh. Right now you can still see that you know, when we started this portfolio July 2nd, remember, none of this is financial advice, and this is only for educational purposes. If you do decide to follow this portfolio, you do at your own risk, and we are not liable or responsible for any losses that you incur, because we are not financial advisors. So you have been disclaimed, all right, guys? So right now the total value of our portfolio is $5,587. So it's still not too shabby, right? Even though we're down 4.24%, which is kind of in line where the market has gone down, right? And we're still in profit, $587. So that's not so bad considering the way things are moving. All right, guys. So let's go to my Twitter. So right now we have 1,300 Twitters, guys. Follow me on Twitter. You know, we have almost 47,000 subscribers now, and we only have 1,300 followers on Twitter. So that's pretty pitiful, guys. So if you love the OG, show some love. You know, walk on over to my Twitter and start following me right now. That way you can get notifications. We'll post some news and make it happen, guys. So one final thing, don't forget to smash the likes right now. Subscribe, don't forget to do that. And check out my links. Go to the description of every video. Check out my links. If you guys are stressed out and you need some meditation, some peace of mind, go to Zen Music Addict. Zen Music Addict is a great channel. It's got a whole bunch of really relaxing kind of music. You know, if crypto's driving you nuts, or you got a little one that can't sleep, this will help you sleep. So go and check out the channel. You'll like it. And guys, support the channel. Go to Patreon. Buy the channel a coffee. Check out my NFT collection. And guys, become a member. What are you waiting for? You waiting for Christmas? Come on. And we got this free charting tool. And check out my merch. We got beautiful merch. We've got bags, women's shirts, hoodies, t-shirts, cups, mugs, aprons, all that kind of stuff. So remember, all the coffees, all the merchandise that you buy, all of it goes to charity. 100% goes to charity. Help feed the orphans in Vietnam. So the OG right now, I'm on the 23rd day of lockdown. Woo, lockdown. I'm climbing the walls. So yeah, and we got another 21 days. So it's going to be like almost like 45 days in lockdown, Mike. It's going crazy. So guys, I just want to say thank you very much. God bless all of you. And I'll see you in the next one at 12 o'clock, 12 noon, Bangkok time. So guys, God bless. See you in the next one.